In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files in Google Docs. Whether you're working on a collaborative project or simply organizing your documents, attaching files directly within your Google Doc can be a game changer for maintaining flow and keeping everything you need right at hand. It's simple, efficient, and saves you the hassle of switching between different tabs and applications. Let's start by opening the Google Doc where you want to add the file. This could be a document you're actively working on or one you have previously saved that now needs an update or an additional attachment. Once the Google Doc is open, take a moment to decide exactly where in the document you want the file to be added. This could be at the beginning, end, or even in the middle of your text, so place your cursor at the chosen spot. This step is particularly important because it ensures your document remains coherent and that the attachment sits exactly where you intend it to be relevant. Now, move your attention to the top menu of your document. You should see various options, and among them, you'll find the Insert tab. Click on Insert, and a drop-down menu will appear, presenting multiple elements you can incorporate into your document. From this list, navigate to the Smart Chips option. It's worth noting that Smart Chips provide extra functionality in Google Docs by allowing you to easily insert linked details right from your Google Workspace. Within the Smart Chips menu, you'll see the option for File, so go ahead and click on that. This feature is particularly useful because it streamlines the process of linking files directly from your Google environment without leaving your document. Once you've selected File, a search window will pop up. Here you have the capability to search through your Google Workspace for the specific file you want to attach. This could be a document, spreadsheet, or any compatible file that you have stored. After conducting your search and identifying the file, click on it to insert it as a link within your document. This link serves as a direct pathway to the file and allows anyone with access to the Google Doc to open the attached document seamlessly. It's a particularly useful function for maintaining collaborative efforts and ensuring all necessary files are just a click away. In conclusion, attaching files in Google Docs using Smart Chips is a straightforward and efficient method. It allows for greater interactivity and ease when dealing with multiple files, ensuring that your documents are not only informative, but also dynamic and resourceful. Make sure to practice these steps a couple of times to become familiar with the process. Thank you for watching and happy documenting.